if you were telling me and you were having a discussion with me, what would be 2 or 3 points that you would say would be very important for me to be aware of as I begin looking at my self-design?
One of them, and you already alluded to this, is the idea that there is value in prescriptive approaches to leadership or to self-leadership or to self-development, personal development. You know, there are best practices, and there are some people that have really gotten it right, you know, and we can learn from their wisdom, you know, the wisdom from their experiences. But at the same time, don't neglect the importance and the joy that comes from discovering your own design, from uncovering those unique attributes and characteristics that are there, that I don't believe are just there by chance. Because it's when you're attentive to those things and you develop those things and you find ways to express them that you're really going to be happy and that you're really going to make a difference. And I believe that at the core, I think most human beings want to leave the world better. I think they really want to make a difference. So I think that's one big takeaway, hopefully, from this book. And the other idea is that, you know, the book is based off of the metaphor of a personal owner's manual.
Right.
And it's based on the idea that we all can have one, should we choose to develop one. And so in the final chapter, you know, I spend quite a bit of time taking people through a process of discovery, activities, questions, you know, those types of things. And what would it mean to live with a sense of intentionality as you go about, you know, making important decisions about your life, like what do I want to study, you know, what do I want to do in terms of a career, what does a happy life look like for me? So I think looking at life and going through life with a little bit more self-awareness and knowledge to help guide decision making, I think is another takeaway from this.
Well, great.